This is Scott Sorheim with Lean Technologies, and I wanted to show you and talk to you a little bit about Thrive reporting. There's a big emphasis on reporting in Thrive, and that's because if you're capturing a lot of data, obviously you hope to do something useful with it later to make decisions and move your business forward. So not only is Thrive the best place to capture data related to safety, quality, maintenance, and continuous improvement, but it's also the best place to report on it. So each one of those areas within Thrive has dozens of reports that are canned or pre-built that you can use. But the idea is to use them in the best manner for yourself to make decisions about your business. So I just opened up here my main dashboard, which you can see has on it information from a number of different areas. So safety over here on the left, quality related data on the right, maintenance related data below that, and hour by hour go board related downtime issues next to that. And I'll show you a little bit about how on a report, let's go to the work order aging report, you can analyze this information quickly further. And one way is you can see already, not only do I see the chart telling me about how old my work orders are, but below that it's organized and grouped into information related to the chart. So you can see I've got my same time period below that. If I want to know more specifically about, let's say, this over 90 time period, I can click on the bar to drill down or filter the report further to see here's just all my over 90 work. And I can really exit the report by or learn more about something else on here like a work order number by simply clicking that link, which pops open a work order where I can see more about it. So now if I need to follow up with why are some of these things getting done, I can learn more about either who's working on them or the status of them simply by leaving the report via the link. Additionally, I could filter this report further if I want to see just a certain department. So if I pop open my filters, I have a chance possibly to pick a specific department and quickly filter down to just one part of the business to look at that in a little more detail as well. Also, I can quickly change the chart from here. If I wanted to see instead of a bar chart, I can switch to a pie chart. So the reports are pretty quickly configurable for your needs. Beyond that, you can share it with other people. So once somebody's created a report, let's say safety information, and now the safety coordinator wants to distribute this report with other people, there's a share button on here, which you can see. I click on that, pick somebody else that I want to have this report, and share this item with them, and it will now show up on their dashboard. And what that ensures is across the business, we're all looking at the same information. It's all current. It's all the latest information, and I'm not waiting for somebody else to update the report or get the latest information to me. The final thing probably is just that if people like to do other stuff with the data, so maybe I want to export data, any report, this is available. I can pop open the report. There's an export button, which will then simply export the data to Excel, which then you could use if you are trying to do some additional reporting or take the information to some other system. So that's just an overview of Thrive reporting, and you can check out some of the other videos to learn more about Thrive.